Hello beautiful people, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Chelsea and today I want to do a part-by-part series of me creating this makeup look, just each individual product that I use and how I specifically use them in depth. I didn't want to make a 2-hour-long video, so I decided to split it up into parts so you can just click on the ones that you're interested in or follow along and watch all of them. But for part one, starting off this look, I'm going to be showing you how I apply my foundation as flawlessly as I can. So without further ado, let's get started. Of course, first I have to prime my face, and I have a how to choose the perfect primer for you video that I will link below. But I'm just going to start out with my SPF, and this is my Josie Moran Argan Daily Moisturizer SPF 47. I just do a little pump, warm it up. And now for my primer today, I'm going to be going in with Smashbox's Photo Finish Even Skin Tone Primer. Just take a little bit of that. And I just put that in my oily areas, just my T-zone. Now for foundation, I am absolutely in love with Too Faced Born This Way Matte Foundation. It is absolutely amazing. I think it looks so good on your skin. If you have combination skin, this will be... If you have drier skin, I don't know how this is really gonna do. You might need to add moisturizer, or they have the Born This Way hydrating one. I also have that one, which I really love for my drier days. The Born This Way Undetectable Medium to Full Coverage Foundation. Absolutely love this one too. Just right now I've been a little bit more oily, so I'm going towards the matte. But yeah, let me show you how I apply it. So the best way to apply foundation to make sure that it spreads evenly is to distribute it on your face evenly. I just like to grab a little bit and do some dots. Doesn't have to be perfect. And this isn't the correct way to do it. This is just the way I like to do it to ensure that I get the best coverage. Then I'm just gonna take in my beauty blender, and I do like to use a sponge instead of a brush just because the pores in the sponge I find mimic your skin's texture the best. So then I just dab it. And I go on my ear too, just because sometimes my ears are a little bit discolored. And over my eyelid. Other side. Make sure to get under that jaw so you don't have any line. And just bounce it out. Now for my forehead, again. Sounds like I'm beating my face really hard, but I'm really not. Make sure you have good lighting, just so you can inspect it and see if there are any patches. And I'm not seeing any. And then if you go into the sunlight, you can really see, or take a picture of yourself, you can really see if you have any lines or if it looks discolored. But yeah, and then you just blend it out until you're happy. So super quick and simple. That was my part one of how I do my foundation. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped. And if you want to learn how I cream contour, click for part two. I'll put it in the link below.